Good afternoon, John here. Yes, finally my on-camera debut. You would think after doing hundreds of taped and live media interviews, I wouldn't mind being on the other side of the camera. But this is never about me. This is my third snugtop shell that I've owned. I had one on a Ford F-250 Super Duty crew cab, and I also had one on a extended cab Dodge pickup. You know, I like to tent camp, and when I don't tent camp, I like to sleep inside the truck. And you know, one of the things I forgot about, since it's been a while since I had a shell, is waking up in the morning and having, you know, the morning sun just burn a hole right through your retina. And now that I have new eyes, it's even brighter. Sunglasses are not a good thing to wear when you're being interviewed, because generally people are less trustful of people that have sunglasses on or a big beard. Google it. Anyways, I have to have them on because of my lens replacement and how bright the light is. So today I got on YouTube and was kind of looking at some different options. You know, at one point I thought about getting some blackout curtains and Velcroing them up, but then you're stuck with what to do with them. And today, a couple solutions came to me. One came from Colorado, from a young lady, and then from another gentleman in the Midwest. And it is a simple, cheap solution. Not something I'm going to take credit for or anything. Cutting this crap up and then Velcroing it around the windows. And I liked your solution of, okay, now I'm ready to take it off the windows because I'm going to get out of the shell or what have you. What do you do with it? And that was always my concern with the curtains. Well, because they're super lightweight, once you have it trimmed up in the Velcro, stick it to the ceiling. What a inexpensive, simple solution to keeping unwanted light out. Now I understand, especially for a lot of single females, you want to keep prying eyes outside of your sleeping area, and you know, this blocking 100% of the light, and you know, it's not translucent in any way, shape, or form. This is a excellent solution for your privacy. Me being an old guy, you know, that's not a concern of mine. It's more of, you know, waking up in the morning and let's say I wasn't able to park the truck in such a manner to have the direct sunlight hit the front of the truck, and now it's coming in through the back window or one of the side windows, and I'm being blinded, and I don't want that much light. I can slap one of these babies up the night before on that window and deal with it right then and there. There's a ton of apps out there that will show you the direction that the sun is rising and falling along with the moon. And me being a photography geek, you know, I have one that will even tell me exactly how far the closest obstruction to the sunrise or sunset is. So we got that. Scissors. We're we're going to play with this and see what happens. Okay, so there's the roll. Scissors, Velcro. Plus I had some stuff already. It took more time to peel the backing off of the Velcro than to stick it up. Well, attach it to the reflective material and stick it up. Now, I bought the narrowest roll that I could, kind of a minimalist. If you want more coverage from your Velcro, let's say on the bottom, you can buy a much wider roll. The stuff's cheap. Trying to figure out what I'm going to do with the back window, because I'm going to have to attach the other portion of the Velcro to the back of the glass or hang it off of this. I don't know. For me, it's more about blocking the sun out in the morning. Now, just like any other reflective material, I noticed an immediate drop in the temperature in here when I put that on, because the sun, the afternoon sun, is coming through the glass. Look up. What do you see? You see the finished product stored. Yes, it's Velcroed to the ceiling. No rolling it up and trying to find a place for it. And then when you do get to a campsite, even if it's late and you want to block the sun out, or for those people needing that extra level of privacy or security, you're looking all around for it. Heck no. Off the ceiling it comes. Boom. Onto the windows it goes. If you notice, there's only two. I haven't done anything with the back or with the front. My issue right now is really just keeping the sunrise from burning my retinas out, like anybody who's ever camped in one of these or got up really early in the morning and it's like, that sun. But I have seen it, people that go all the way around, and that's always an option. Dirt cheap, plus the Velcro, so I can sit and say, all right, I want something bigger, smaller, I want something reconfigured. It's not that big a deal, and it's super fast. Anybody that's done this, you spend more time peeling the backing off of the Velcro than you do cutting or attaching the Velcro. It's just getting that sticky back off. You can see that, my shells, the interior's very minimal. 4-inch industrial foam inside of a mattress cover. Sleeping bag and pillows are inside that trash bag to keep them a little dust free. Nothing about the water. Just a simple DZ map I got on Amazon, and as I said before, I bought one of the returns factory seconds that supposedly was blemished. I never found it, and I saved a bunch of money. You can go the air mattress route because there's a power outlet, because that has such a short bed. I've never slept in it, so that is strictly a tent camper. And when I do bring the old air mattress, I have a 100-foot extension cord, and I can throw the tent anywhere I want, and as long as the taco's within 100 feet, You know, I got air in the air mattress. I guess you can get those battery powered ones, or you can, I think my days of using a thermarest have come to an end slowly but surely, even though I have one. As far as using this as a camper, when I've gone out, I have room for my cooler, my camping gear, my clothes, my cameras, because I'm a amateur photographer. Carry my binoculars, walking stick, tripods, all kinds of stuff under there. You've seen in the past where I've looked every which way to find places to stuff. Very minimal in here. I saw a YouTube today and I was very impressed by how you have your RAM set up, and you have storage cabinets and a little table with a sleeping area for one right down the center. Very creative. Makes me feel like a very minimalist when it comes to this. But anyways, I've filmed way too long to do such a simple project. Too bad I hadn't thought of it. There was no creativity on my side. I just watched a couple videos and said, boy, I'm running down to Home Depot right now. Anyways, hit the like button if you like. Hit the subscribe if you like my silly videos and want to see what I'm going to produce next.